My name is Jason Collier, a professional hairdresser from London, and today we're going to be showing you how you can use the Panasonic Hair Straightener at home to create a beautiful textured beach wave. Okay, so first of all we're going to start off with our sectioning. Okay, so we're just going to start off with a little bit of heat protection. Spray it through, then using my 2 fingers, I'm going to break it into 3 sections and then just gently plait them over. Not too tight, quite loose, as we want quite a nice soft beach wave. Okay, so just gently pull that plait out again at the top. Press and hold for about 5 seconds. Next section, do exactly the same. About 5 seconds. And then into your last section at the bottom, press and hold, 5 seconds. Okay, so now we're moving into our final section. So we're gonna be using a little bit of a different technique. Gonna part straight down the center. And what we wanna do is we wanna hold the iron vertical, twist, and run it down, following the face, and keep on twisting. So now we've finished with our top section, we're now going to move on to our first 2 sections, which have now cooled down from the first stage. So what we're going to do is just gently remove the band and then just unpick. Just going to rough it out and just blend in the 2 sections. The reason we've done it in 2 sections is the plait gives it much more of a rougher beach wave, and the top section will just help to gloss it up and make it feel more appealing. Okay, so now we're going to be creating a little bit of a style. First we need to drop our model's head over. And we're just going to take a section and then just going to smooth this out with a brush. We're then going to split our section into 3 and we're just going to gently start plaiting. And then each time, we're going to add a small amount in. Okay, so here's the finished look. Nice little beach wave, nice over plait just to kind of give it a little bit of style, which is perfect for the festivals or for the beach.